I am in Tucson, Arizona. I did a major stretch of the drive. I've basically been driving since 4 a.m. It's noon now. It is 90 something degrees and sunny. I'm loving it so much, especially now that I'm not driving. Don't worry, I did stop for a sandwich and a nice big cold bottle of water. I just got to 22nd Street Antique Mall. Now, I've been worried that I'm never gonna make it to California, right? And I have a feeling I'm gonna stay in Arizona much longer than anticipated because the antique malls here look awesome and plentiful. So, let's hit our first stop. What is this? This bank is hilarious. But 14, no discount. Can't do that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have so much stuff in my hands. This is already old. It's probably old hearing about it too, but let's see. I'll try not to mention it again. $16. Okay. Can't do that. Cute little dog figurine. The rabbit's a hobbyist. Look at these little, I think they're hobbyist mice. Yeah, they are. Those are cute. $12 each though. And what about the little jewelry boxes? 11. This one's nice too. I'm having a feeling that this is all gonna be in the same price range. Oh my gosh, look at the lucite candle holders. Those are awesome. Everything 50% off. Well, this is the first thing I see. That is amazing. I'll put my poodle down. Wow. That's so gorgeous. You know, it's so funny being out here because stuff like this is everywhere. And like normally I would get so excited to see this. I mean, I think it's very pretty. If it was less, I would definitely pick it up anyway. But it's just so funny because it seems like hard to find unique Mexican pottery pieces where I'm at. And over here, it's just like, oh, chick. It's like everywhere. I kind of love the difference. But now I understand why everyone's so crazy about coming to like Pennsylvania to go do this. Pennsylvania is definitely king, but it's nice to switch it up after so many years of going all the same places. Yeah, that chick cookie jar is adorable. It's not a bad price either. It's at 48. And little Friday's child. Oh my gosh, look at this sewing box. It's so fun. Oh, look at how cute Brown Betty is. That is adorable. Love the graphic on that. Ironically, I don't think that it's brown. This is a fun sewing basket. It's got a pretty gnarly stain on the front, actually, now that I take a better look. Where did I put the poodle? Oh, wait, look at all the compacts. 16, 15. Yeah, no. A little too close for me. Gosh, there's so much I like here. What's going on over here? Look at this bag. $60. That's fantastic. All right, well, like I said, I'm gonna come back through here. But in the meantime, I am gonna remain to pick up things for resale. This is $7.50. And this one is newer. Still very cool and very inexpensive. I'm gonna pick up this Jesus mirror for $7.50. Looks too cool not to. Like, I don't have a basket. I know I promised I'd stop saying that, but it definitely is making it a little bit harder. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a second walk through here. I'm just doing a little initial scan. $6, that's sweet. I just had one of those that was even more intricate. This is interesting. Huh. Love that mirror. What's over here? It's like very much so my style in here too. In like a very surprising, eclectic way. This is really pretty. Is this a music box? It is. How much is it though? And there's no price. This is like a bad joke. This is such a tease. No baskets, no price. I'm trying to adjust my attitude. It's pretty. Look at this funny thing. Look at this funny Dutch girl. Made in France. Is that what that says? No, that's not what that says. Interesting. I was going for the Bohemian glass back here. That's only $15. What? I don't really want to be responsible for that though. That's really gorgeous. Oh, like I said, I'm gonna do a second scan, so who knows what's gonna happen. I haven't even finished a single nook of this place. Barbie. I always think these are fun, even though I'm not much of a Barbie person. And oh my gosh, look at these. How cute. $14.99 though. That's about retail. Let's see. All kinds of fun stuff. The silhouette tiles here are very spendy. It's kind of nice. So this booth has 50% off too. I can't help but notice this really interesting paper mache leather giraffe. $30. It's definitely oversized, but it would come to $15. And my gut is telling me to pick this up. So since it's definitely a pain in the butt, because it's a special size and I would have to get a special box next time I go to Walmart, I'm gonna look it up just to make sure I'm not crazy for thinking I'd be insane to walk away from this. So surprisingly enough, the average sold price is about $24, so I might actually put that back for the time being and take a second look at it when I actually finish the antique mall and go back around. I'm glad that I'm not in a rush. I'm definitely gonna stay here tonight and do the rest of the antique malls here tomorrow, or at this rate I might only do a couple. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, $50, no discount. Just kidding. And I just realized the giraffe was a no discount item as well, so glad I didn't pick that one up. Don't want to have the same mistake as I did with those extremely expensive earrings I bought the other day in Amarillo. I kind of love this pig. How interesting. Unique guy, even though I'm not sure of his origin. He might even be mass produced, who knows. Well, I'm sure someone knows, but I'm just not stopping to investigate it. I mean, and more cat bottles. I like this green one. $12. They keep getting cheaper and cheaper. I'm gonna look that up. It's been so long since I've seen one of those in Pennsylvania, and I've never actually even bothered to look them up because they've been so pricey. Turns out they don't sell for much. This is a really neat wood cat. That one's only $14. I see 50% off, and I love these fish. Wait, 3 fish for $38? Those are so fun. And then 50% off, right? Yeah. Let me do the math on that. Yeah, that comes to like $6-7 a fish. Those are fun. Well, you know what? I kind of want to do it. I don't have a basket though, so I'm gonna look over here. I know. Oh, I did it again. I'm sorry. Look at this fish. That's neat. That would be $7. That's really cool. I like that I'm picking up some different stuff. I'm not so sure about it though. Now I look at it again, and what is this? Wait, what? Salt and pepper. Those are neat. There's so much stuff in here. That's what's so overwhelming. The owl. So that would be 12. Ooh. Interesting. What is going on here? Oh, I'm so nervous. How much is this? Don't tell me there's no price on this. Of course. Of course there's no price. Lucite scorpion. Is there a discount in this booth? I kind of don't care. For 10 bucks, I'm gonna get that. It's really neat. It's a vintage one too. About the Sun and Moon box. $5. Sold. Sold. Whoa. $9. That's really different. I think this is German. Well, for $9, we're gonna get that. That's really strange. What is this? Oh my gosh, how fantastic. Now that is necessary. Mexican pottery fruit bowl for $7.50. That's neat too. That one's at $8. The fruit bowl is definitely my favorite. That one's coming with us. Maybe I can use that to help me carry the fish. All right, well, I just finished the furs. Just kidding, actually I didn't. What is that? Love little geisha girl. Look at this carved whale. It's really neat. Oh, and what's this? Look at this pig. How interesting. $20 to bank. What I was going to say, church painting. I finished the first part of downstairs. So I'm gonna head upstairs. Now, let us not forget, I'm gonna come back through this section after I've done the entire antique mall. But I'd like to get a better idea of what I'm working with. Well, it looks like it's just larger things up here. These are amazing. And I love the lady planter. 25, that's not bad, but definitely more than I'd like to have in it. There's a lot to appreciate here. Oh my gosh, that painting. That's amazing. You're like, yeah, it's definitely something. I like stuff like that. Oh, that's not what exactly I thought it was. What? Oh my gosh, I never see this color. $7? What? That's insane. I know these don't sell for much, but still. Oh, hello, booth. Oh my gosh, Rachel would be dying over that. Pink cowboy boots. The owl's fun. It's really well displayed in here. More lucite. Oh, it's a toilet. Toilet mug? That's amazing. I like the size of that too. This is a fun little canister set. Oh, it's not a set, it's $10 each. Just kidding. Love the butterfly ashtray. Unfortunately, it's got a chip. Whoa. And yes, the Napco set is great, and Hold Howard in the back. It's actually the crocodile and the hot dog and fries I like the most, even though they're newer. And these guys, those are fun. How neat. Wow, that's fantastic. How much is this, 29? Not bad. It's really cool. Look at this little wall decor. That's neat too. Why is this half off? That doesn't leave a good taste in my mouth. For sure. Carved fish is neat. This is really pretty too. And this bowl. Oh, I love Amberina. Wow. That dog, I know I've had it before. I think I actually had one and it sold for like $29 and it had a chip or something. I can't remember. I knew there was something wrong with it though. It's really nice. I'm obsessed with the wood cats. 2 purple cats, 18. But those are neat. So like $9 each, and they have a 10% discount. Why not? I remember I left something like these behind the cats at Black Rose, and there were a couple people that asked for them. Oh, I love that frame. So hopefully this makes up for it. Oh Oh my gosh, but look at the frog. That's amazing. Definitely a little high for me though. I feel okay about the cats though, especially because there's 2 for that price, and cats usually do all right by me, as I'm sure we've all learned by now. I'm a total cat seller enthusiast. Okay, but look at this parrot. That's fantastic. Totally fabulous. I also love this handkerchief vase, 44. And these hilarious little owl salt and pepper shakers, 18 small chip. It's kind of funny because I feel a little touristy, honestly. I mean, I am a tourist still, but I'm not used to feeling like a tourist at an antique mall. I've picked up like all this stuff that I wouldn't find back home like this. That's amazing, that Victorian velvet purse. Oh my gosh, the fish box. $10. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, how fantastic. I need to know how much this was originally for peace of mind. I don't know, but I don't really care because I think it's epic. And look at these butterfly. Those are neat, but I am gonna take the little fish box. That is so cute. One of these 75% off booths. What does that actually mean though? Wait, is it actually 75% off and not marked up crazy? Interesting. Oh, whoops. 24. This is cute too. These are made in Japan. I need hands. I need someone to come help me. Oh my gosh. 15. I'm obsessed with you. I think I'm about to overpay for this. On principle. Let me make sure it's not broken. I've actually never seen one that's not broken. These are pretty hard to find. Okay, well, I'm really distracted by this. I know these seashell things really don't sell well, but that one's amazing. I also can't help but notice the little 14, and it's got the tape measure. All right, well, looks like I'm taking both of these. People ask me for those pin cushions all the time. Well, pin cushions in general, but that one is extra special with the little pixie. It's also in like new condition.